Do you want to unlock peak productivity? Welcome to a journey inspired by Jim Collins' Good to Great, where time management is the key to unlocking your business potential. Stay tuned as we explore 10 proven ways to divide your time effectively for greater productivity. Firstly, let's delve into the Hedgehog concept and Level 5 leadership. The Hedgehog concept is all about identifying and honing in on your core competencies. It's about focusing on what you do best and channeling your energy into that, rather than diversifying into unrelated areas. On the other hand, Level 5 leadership emphasizes the importance of humility and professional will. It's about being ambitious for your company's success, not personal recognition. Remember, focus on your core competencies and prioritize humility in your leadership. Next, we focus on the principles of people first and confronting realities. The first who, then what principle is a game changer, urging us to surround ourselves with the right people before deciding on strategies. Equally important is confronting the brutal facts about our business. Welcome realism, but don't let it dampen your faith in overcoming challenges. This blend of realism and optimism forms a potent mindset that pushes your business forward. A strong team and a realistic yet optimistic mindset are crucial for success. Now, let's talk about the momentum flywheel and using technology as an accelerator. The momentum flywheel is about understanding the cumulative power of consistent, strategic efforts. It's about avoiding the doom loop and making disciplined decisions for the long run. On the other hand, technology should serve as an accelerator, not a driver. It's there to amplify the impact of your actions, but it should never dictate your direction. Consistent strategic efforts and leveraging technology wisely can significantly boost your productivity. Our last principles include discipline, the Stockdale paradox, the 20-20-20 technique, and SMART goals. Starting with discipline, it's about fostering an environment where discipline goes hand in hand with freedom and responsibility. This balance helps avoid unnecessary distractions and keeps everyone aligned towards achieving greatness. Next is the Stockdale paradox. Named after Admiral Stockdale, it encourages balancing unwavering faith in your eventual success with the realistic acknowledgement of present challenges. This paradox promotes resilience and growth amidst adversity. The 20-20-20 technique is a time management strategy by Robin Sharma. It suggests starting each day with 20 minutes of exercise, followed by 20 minutes of reflection, and finally, 20 minutes of learning. This routine kickstarts your day on a productive note. Lastly, SMART goals. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals help you track your progress and ensure alignment with your long-term vision. Inculcating discipline, balancing optimism and realism, strategic time allocation, and setting SMART goals. These are your keys to unlocking peak productivity. To sum up, we've explored 10 powerful principles from focusing on core competencies and people-first approach to building momentum and setting SMART goals. Incorporate these principles into your routine, and you're on your way to achieving sustained greatness in your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, time is the one resource you can't get back. Use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more game-changing content. Remember, your success story starts now.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.